It's your favorite girl Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So still in Montego Bay, going to eat right now. We're going to Marina Palms on Freeport, aka Yacht Club, and yeah, it was either there, Coral Cliff, or Pier 1. Pier 1 I've been to, Coral Cliff I've been to. Babe I don't think has been to either or to dine. I don't think he's been to Coral Cliff at all. Pier 1 I'm gonna say maybe because they host parties, or hosted parties. It's a thing of the past. Yeah, look at my complexion. I'm black. Like, wow. I also might need to adjust the settings on my camera, but anyways, yeah, waiting for babe. He just went to go GPS. Coming to say they're at Freeport, but I don't know exactly where. So we're heading into town right now. It's 5:30 on the dot. Curfew is now extended to 9 o'clock. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And Shan and Mario came and visited us today because we're close by them, actually. Yeah, close enough. So they stopped by today and we were like in the car chilling, talking for like probably like 3 hours. She literally just came to like stop by and talk for like 5 minutes, and we were here talking for like 3 hours. Like, listen, I love my couple friends, and like, yo, I'm so grateful. Like, I already knew Shan, but like knowing them as like a group, and you know, being able to interact with babe, because most times when I meet people it's by myself. So the fact that he, you know, is getting to know people and stuff like that, like, that's so, I love that. I love it. I love this. I love that. I love it. So yeah, gonna do that with babe. Take him down there, make him see Marina Palms. You know, when you're in my city, you gotta tour me. When I'm in his city, he takes me on tours and wines and dines me and stuff like that. So returning the favor. But yeah, when we reach close, when we get there, me come back to no and talk to no then, okay? I just look weird. Anyways, that's enough rambling. Or when babe comes in the car and if he takes up the camera, then right, I don't know why he's taking so long to get the little details from the GPS. What's the need for Ariel? But yeah.
Oh, the sun I mess it up. Yeah, people, so they are Marina Palms. We're just dropping a deep tour. Oh, nice, that's how we're going.
No, it just comes out. Hello, good evening.
Dining in there.
Oh, sorry.
Got the flags.
Canada here?
I'm gonna sit there and you must turn the Canada.
Yes, please.
Yeah, man, yeah, there, I ain't go.
I didn't saw it.
And our first time here, we say when it comes scrutinize it. Ridiculous.
Ridiculous. You put it down?
Put it down. Can't get the view.
Alright, thank you. You wanna see here?
No, that's it.
So guys, this is the view. It's right by the water. It's cool at least. Subscribe. Thank you. What you said? So guys, their menu is digital basically, so you can either scan or go online through their Instagram. So yeah, I love the view. And the sun's finna set soon. Oh, look at the rain. Why are you yelling, bro? Oh my God. We literally seen it at the same time. There's not red, gold, and green. There's yellow, there's orange, there's red, there's pink, there's purple, there's blue, there's green.
And a bright rain glow. Rain glow.
Yo, you're not.
Okay, so before you guys go in and order, like this menu is a temporary menu, right? Because you like some like short stuff like can't get certain stuff, so we don't have everything on it, but we have things that can substitute.
Okay. Do you have shrimp?
Yes, we have shrimp.
Okay. So I'll just do something with shrimp.
Like, okay, I can recommend something with the shrimp. The turmeric coconut.
Oh, I like curry. Yeah, that's a
Yes, it tastes really good, and you can either eat it with jasmine rice and peas or mashed potatoes.
Okay, let me get it with them then. I'll get that
rice
with
and
mash.
peas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know if like because of the camera, but like there's just so much attention and I don't like it. Not that it's bad, but like I just don't personally like attention. But anyway, so far customer service amazing. Like they're waiting on us hand and foot. The chef herself came out and greeted us. Let us know what was available on the menu, double checked on the waiter to make sure that she was doing great. It was also her first day. When she comes back, I'm gonna get her name pick up herself. And yeah, like we were just conversing, you know, about the channel, stuff like that, and yeah, really cool, relaxed vibes. How you feel, babe?
Ready. Thanks.
Okay, so yeah. Yeah. It got dark pretty fast. Yeah. And the lights came out, so you have the lights here. You can still see your food, for now at least. I hope it don't take long because I'm hungry and I want to get back before curfew because ain't nobody getting a ticket out here, baby. Even though curfew is 9 o'clock, as I said.
I'm almost. Osmosis.
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 Buddy, alright?
Yeah, everybody's good. What you say? Yes.
That's it?
Yeah?
And also the one in pretty.
Yeah. No, he said he wants his pretty.
Yeah, the lemon and them things.
Me go make them.
Fine and them some.
Okay, he said he wants his pretty. We no business on mine, look. We just want to make sure it tastes good.
Yeah.
Vlog, turn up.
Lord jeez.
Yeah.
Doing it for the vlog.
Yeah. Yo, true.
Doing it for the vlog.
Yeah, see? I told you. Customer service, amazing. Yeah, right through. In my place. Only in my place, because in a Portmore you would never find nothing like this.
Oh,
In Portmore?
yeah, much restaurant they go in a Portmore, yeah.
How many of them were the customer service amazing?
I mean,
I'll wait.
oh yeah, oh Lord.
I'm Plush Cup and Dear Dream, I go.
No, see, we don't want the name again, Lucky Crab.
Plush Cup and Dear Dream and blast people fee.
Lucky
No
Crab.
pay bill and Ray.
Lucky Crab be good.
Be back when the food comes, guys.
Lucky Crab and who again?
Alright guys, so curry or turmeric coconut shrimp and mashed potatoes with some veggies and barbecue chicken. Babe wants his piece of chicken. Barbecue chicken and french fries and ketchup. This was fast though. The food came very, very fast, but not gonna lie. Yeah, right through. Soon taste it and I'm gonna know how it tastes.
We're going to get shrimp. Show them where. So that a turmeric coconut shrimp. When I watch your curry look. I mean, you can use it. You hold it.
Oh, I should have took a picture before I
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh wow! Wow.
This is yeah, people.
No, I like it, everyone.
Them want review, them want taste this with them. The way it pull off of the chicken alone, people, off of the bone, I'm not even have a taste of it, I know it's bad. What? Yeah, the barbecue. Like, a craft barbecue. I wouldn't make no barbecue sauce.
It tastes like hickory.
It tastes like craft barbecue sauce. It's nice and blow what it tends.
It's smoked.
Good.
How you guys are in?
Yes, girl.
Yeah, man. People can recommend in the year. Marina Palms. Good.
May I help you?
Leave my plate.
And you're the help him clean up, so you can't help him.
Exactly.
Exactly. I'm carrying children. That's sad.
Alright, people, later.
I wait look a dip for fries. Yes. As in the can meticulous scrutinize. Plate empty, but we eat up all that shrimp. What looks like that though? Yeah.
All is
All
great.
is great. Love it.
Barbecue, turn up.
And this
Turmeric, turn up. Hold on, now what is?
curry turmeric shrimp.
I'll get back
As in the can meticulous scrutinize. See that? So I bring in one piece of my chicken still. The invoice. No, the bill.
She want to go and get it?
Yes, I think she got it right already. Yeah, we shell off the fries then. This comes full of fries. Eat the cherry meat on the star fruit.
People,
Juice
The
basically
turmeric.
done.
the curry turmeric.
That's belly as
People, the curry turmeric.
belly must.
And we'll go up, go eat curry chicken burger.
Yeah. Yeah, daddy a cook.
Can I put it in the pepper?
Yeah, that will be cool.
That would
Help
be
you still,
cool.
because I go to work from man. I'll come out back, you know. And restroom, if you want to use bathroom, yeah? Sure, you're not going to tap on the road and say you want to pee? That's the Canada flag. And Jamaica flag. What them are the style of country? It's England. What is it little bit?
So guys, we are leaving Marina Palms now. Going home. Yo, you guys, I'm not even exaggerating. That was some good. I've never had turmeric curry nothing. That shit was amazing. So freaking seasoned good. The barbecue chicken, I can't wait for go home go eat that. That was like the most tenderest barbecue chicken I have ever had. It just right off of the bone. Oh my god. And you guys know hickory barbecue, like that's what it would taste like. Smoked hickory barbecue. So freaking good, you guys. Freeport, Montego Bay. For no, she said stay put together, you know, right here. My drink was 14, yours was 7.
Oh, because you're not being the liquor. Mine about cup. That big cup there, about
Yeah,
$700.
$7, yeah. And then your meal was 15.
Big cup there. I check sal 20 bills, very oh, no. And then you want to go to the barbecue chicken.
15. Turn off the camera for me.
15? Oh, baby. I'm not bad. I'm going to help me and get right, sure. Yeah, people, I don't want to slide again, you know. River par, you know. Watch face. I saw this slide me, you know. I saw my slip. That's when I work with the stone them.
Take your time.
The stone them not gonna make you slip, I saw. But you're exhausted.
Relax. Yeah, it works. Hello, kita pa may job. Go, ano? Walk to the side here, so. Walk inside. Come away, so go. Walk away, so.
Jesus Christ! Man, hurry up now! What's up, piece of water? You can't move.
I'm a hideout.
Yo, whoa, how did that happen? Anyways, we are leaving Montego Bay. Yo, you guys are crying today because I'm leaving my daddy. But yo, I had to leave my dad. I'm gonna tell you guys actually what happened, what made me feel like kind of rubbed the wrong way, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm out. But yeah, we're heading out of Montego Bay. We're going back to Portmore. Time expiration, and I'm so mad that I did not get to take you guys yesterday when we went to visit the Williams family. We linked up with Sean, Mario, their kids. We went to the river. We did farming. We did everything. I'm gonna show you guys even the food and stuff, what we got. Listen, you guys, amazing, like amazing. Yo, I know sometimes we're afraid to like go out, take in people, link up with people, try new things, but it's better to try and then yeah, you get what I'm saying, because I've met up with people before, shit hit the fan, wasn't great, but that's never gonna stop me from linking up with people, because everybody's different, every situation is different, and like I feel like we found like lifelong friends in Shan and Mario, like literally like amazing. Right, and Shan and I are the same sign, so there's so many similarities, and then our husbands are just laid back but funny at the same, and everybody just gets along. Everybody looks out for one another. Like me, when me I try to climb up the rocks, yesterday Mario wall up on my hand while Joel slip on a trap, and all of them something there. You see me I say? So big up Shan and Mario. Thank you guys so much for yesterday. We had an amazing time. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to come back. And you guys, they're so close to where we are in Montego Bay. Yeah,
that make it amazing to
yeah. We were just like, we're here. I don't even know. As I said, I had to talk to Shan about something, and then they asked like if we're still here to come up and link with them. So we were like, all right, cool. Like we won't bother go up. We'll just come go river. Cause Joel will want go river, and I was just like, I wanted this trip down here. He could go out and experience things. So he got to go to Hopewell, he got to go to Dead End. We went somewhere for dinner.
Yo, yeah.
And then river, farming, and those are things Joel loves. So we
gonna pick pine for the first. Yeah, pick pine. After I choose to take out the pine later.
Musketon in the kill we and Shan.
Oh, she and Shan and Maria forgot. Man, know the man them after the bush. The man them afraid of the bush.
But so you go. We still had a bomb ass time. You got me creep up the whole of my body jaw. The two of my body jaw them don't good. I not even know how me I sit down right now. God know, I have to take off I can only wear tongues and soft bottom things for my bottom because right now I feel like I'll even pampers me feeling, brother. Is it me? Don't mind the lighting either. What me there just what me there. But yeah, got my Starbucks to go. I also got my Jamaica yes, I also got my Jamaica color changing cup, you guys. So excited. Yeah, we're just journeying it home. Nothing special, right, you know. And so if anything else we come back out, I'm gonna know, okay? Bye. Say good morning.
Long distance loving, I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you I give you